You've probably seen a lot on how to organize your digital stuff, but in this episode, I'm going to be telling you the things not to do. Hi there, I'm Melinda, the Orderly Entrepreneur, helping program and course launchers streamline their business and their super busy lives with productivity system and organizing strategies. There isn't a perfect way to organize anything, but there are certain things that you can do that will decrease your productivity. So today I'm going to share with you 5 don'ts for organizing your digital stuff. Don't number 1, do not use your desktop to store your files. Otherwise, it'll look like this. Do put the files where they belong when you're done with them, preferably before the end of the day. Don't number 2, don't use your downloads to store your files. You'll end up with an endless list of documents and you will have no idea what they are. And they'll take up space on your computer. Do put the files where they belong after you download them. Don't number 3, don't use your web browser as a way to try to remember to do things. I know. We search the internet and we find that really cool dress that we want and it was on an ad and we have nowhere to find it again. Or we have an email that we really want to answer but we don't have time right now. So we leave all the little tabs open at the top of our browser, right? Well, what happens when your computer accidentally shuts off? Or you lose power? Do you ever go back to those tabs? Instead of keeping the information open on a tab, copy it into your task management system so that you can remember where to find it and to actually do it. Don't number 4, don't try to remember your passwords. Can you even remember your phone number or your kid's phone number? We have enough to remember as it is, and trying to remember 80 passwords is just going to take up too much of your brain power. So be sure to use a password program or app to help you out. Don't number 5, don't use your inbox as your to-do list. Do you have 3,500 emails in your inbox? Maybe 5,000 or more? That's okay. What you don't want to do is keep things that you need to do inside of that inbox. They will get lost and forgotten. Do put those emails in your task management system. If you use something similar to Asana or Trello, typically you can use the email to board function and it can actually put that information directly into your task list so that you don't have to worry about keeping that email in your inbox or trying to remember where it is. So we're done with the digital don'ts. If you'd like some digital do's, head on over to this video right here to get more digital organizing hacks. If you like this video, comment below and tell me all about it. I'd love to hear from you. I will see you in the next video.